What's up guys, Wavy Boy here with another video. Well, with one video. Today I'm going to be solving these two Rubik's Cubes, this 4x4 right here. I'm going to turn it into a 2x4, so that instead of me actually getting a 2x2, which I will be getting one pretty soon, I could just use the 2x2 for now. Let me just solve really quickly. I don't like starting Rubik's Cube and not finishing them. Hold on. It takes me a while. I could honestly admit I'm not the best at the Rubik's Cube, but I'm pretty good. So, yeah. See you guys. I have to get prepped. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have all the Rubik's Cubes nice and mixed up. Let's get started. Start with the 3x3. There you go. Got the 3x3. Dang it. Guys, got the 2x2 and the 3x3. Man, I mean the 4x4. And the 2x2, the 4x4 turned into a 2x2. Hope you enjoyed this awesome video. Please like, share, subscribe. I would love to get some better videos out there. If you guys can give me some more advice, that'd be really cool. I'm starting to get a new PC with some liquid cooling, so then I'll be able to post Fortnite videos and stuff like that. There's something going on across the street. Yeah, let me show you guys. Look at. See all those people over there? It's pretty sunny outside too. All these people. Alright guys, hope you liked the video. See you later. Please share, subscribe, comment, and give me some advice. I'm a new YouTuber out here, surviving out in these streets. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.